Okay, so one of the things I did with the code for the servo was first put a pointer on here just like we did in class. Then what I want to do is rotate this all the way through the range of motion till it's at the very end. So that's my 9 o'clock position, and that's as far as the servo will rotate in this direction. Then I rotate it all the way to the 3 o'clock position, and that's my horn. I know it's slightly past 3 o'clock, but because of the teeth that are on here, that's the best I can get it. So that's my 3 o'clock. This is my 12 o'clock position, right? And then this is my 9 o'clock position. So I'm going to start with the servo there, and I just have it plugged into the servo header. I got a 9-volt battery plugged in, and you notice that there isn't anything there in terms of the button circuit. So now what I want to do with my code is try to figure out what values, and I've already figured this out, do I need to put in for my 3 o'clock position, for my 12 o'clock position, and for my 9 o'clock, right? So I played around with the code, and the code looks like this, right? So this first two for loop is going to take me to my 3 o'clock position. So the value to get to 3 o'clock is 250. That always will refer to the 3 o'clock position with the physical setup that I have with the servo motor horn. Now if I took this horn off and twist it a little bit, that value will no longer get me to the 3 o'clock position. It's going to get me to a new position. Okay. Then the second number is going to take me to 12 o'clock. So that's the 750 right here. And then the third number is going to take me to 9 o'clock. So the first thing it should do is rotate the 3, rotate the 12, and rotate the 9. So before I build my grandiose circuit, I built my servo, I have a pointer on it, I connected it to the motherboard, and then now I got a code to test out the servo. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to push the reset button to run it. So it should go to 3 o'clock, then 9 o'clock, then, 12 o'clock, then 9 o'clock, right? So I can push reset again, and no matter what, where I'm at, right? Push reset, that's the 3 o'clock. It starts the code over. 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock. One more image of the code, and that's what we need. So the next step is to wire up my button and write a test code for the button. That's the next video.